Yoga and meditation are ancient practices that offer numerous benefits for the body, mind, and spirit. Before we begin to explain the various benefits of yoga meditation, let us first examine and understand the various yoga postures and their significance. In yoga, various postures, asanas, are used during meditation to promote physical comfort, mental focus, and spiritual growth. Here are some common yoga postures used during meditation and their significance. Seated postures. 1. Padmasana, Lotus Pose, a classic meditation posture, promoting balance, calmness, and inner peace. 2. Sukhasana, Easy Pose, a comfortable seated posture, ideal for beginners, promoting relaxation and focus. 3. Vajrasana, Thunderbolt Pose, a seated posture that promotes strength, stability, and mental clarity. Standing and kneeling postures. 1. Tadasana, Mountain Pose, a standing posture that promotes balance, grounding, and inner strength. 2. Virabhadrasana, Warrior Pose, a standing posture that promotes courage, confidence, and mental focus. 3. Anjaneyasana, Low Lunge Pose, a kneeling posture that promotes flexibility, balance, and inner awareness. Reclined and restorative postures. 1. Sukhasana, Corpse Pose, a reclined posture that promotes relaxation, calmness, and inner peace. 2. Virabhadrasana, Legs Up the Wall Pose, a restorative posture that promotes relaxation, reduces swelling, and calms the nervous system. 3. Virabhadrasana, Reclined Bound Angle Pose, a restorative posture that promotes relaxation, flexibility, and inner awareness. Other postures. 1. Balasana, Child's Pose, a kneeling posture that promotes relaxation, flexibility, and inner calmness. 2. Dhanurasana, Bow Pose, a backbend posture that promotes flexibility, strength, and mental focus. 3. Halasana, Plow Pose, a backbend posture that promotes flexibility, relaxation, and inner calmness. Each yoga posture has its unique benefits, and the choice of posture depends on individual preferences, goals, and physical abilities. Regular practice of these postures can help cultivate physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Here are 20 benefits of incorporating yoga and meditation into your daily routine. Flexibility and balance. Yoga helps increase flexibility, range of motion, and balance. It reinvigorates strength and toning that can help build agility, especially in the core, arms, and legs. Improved posture is another great benefit of yoga. It encourages you to sit and stand taller, which can really help reduce back and neck pain over time. Yoga can also play a role in weight management. By increasing your metabolism and improving digestion, it supports your efforts to maintain a healthy weight. Yoga is fantastic for your circulation. It helps improve blood flow throughout the body, which promotes healthy skin and keeps your organs functioning at their best. Yoga and meditation actually lower stress hormones, which, really helps promote relaxation and a sense of calmness. Improved mood is another benefit. Yoga releases endorphins, boosting your mood and helping to reduce symptoms of depression. It enhances cognitive function, which improves focus, concentration, and memory, making it easier to stay sharp throughout the day. Better sleep is another big benefit. Yoga helps regulate your sleep patterns, which can really improve the quality of your sleep. Increased self-awareness is also a key advantage. Yoga and meditation encourage self-awareness, self-acceptance, and honestly, a bit of self-love too. And, yoga and meditation can help you connect with your inner self, which is great for promoting spiritual growth. Yoga balances the body's energy, promoting harmony and well-being. It's really about finding that sense of equilibrium, so you can feel more centered in your daily life. Yoga promotes compassion, empathy, and understanding for oneself and others. It sort of helps you connect on a deeper level, not just with yourself, but with those around you as well. Yoga and meditation bring a sense of calm and inner peace, even in challenging situations. Honestly, it's like having a little pocket of serenity you can turn to whenever things get tough. Improved immune function. Yoga has actually been shown to boost the immune system, helping to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of disease. Reduced chronic pain. Yoga can really help ease long-term pain, which in turn improves your overall quality of life. Increased longevity. Yoga has been linked to living longer as it promotes overall health and well-being. Yoga improves digestion, reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive disorders. Yoga can help reduce symptoms of menopause, including hot flashes and mood swings. Yoga and meditation promote overall well-being, improving physical, mental, and emotional health. So, incorporating yoga and meditation into your daily routine can actually have a profound impact on your overall health and well-being. Yoga and meditation have, been increasingly recognized as valuable tools for supporting the mental health and physiological well-being of military personnel. Reduced stress and anxiety are among the most significant benefits, since these practices have been shown to decrease the production of stress hormones like cortisol. Regular yoga and meditation practice can also lead to improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression. This is especially important for military personnel, who often face unique challenges and traumatic experiences. By promoting relaxation and calmness, yoga and meditation can help mitigate the negative impacts of these experiences. In terms of physiological benefits, yoga and meditation have been shown to enhance resilience and support recovery from physical and emotional injuries. For example, a study on the Restore program, which combines yoga and meditation with strength training and education, found that participants experienced significant reductions in chronic pain and improvements in sleep quality and mood. Other benefits of yoga and meditation for military personnel include improved focus and concentration. Regular practice can improve cognitive function, supporting better performance in high-pressure situations. Better sleep is another advantage. Yoga and meditation can help regulate sleep patterns, reducing the risk of sleep disorders and related health problems. Increased self-awareness is also key, as these practices promote greater self-awareness, supporting personal growth and development. Enhanced team cohesion is possible too, since group yoga and meditation practice can foster a sense of community and teamwork, supporting unit cohesion and collaboration. Overall, the mental health and physiological benefits of yoga and meditation make them valuable additions to military training and support programs. How yoga meditation connects the spirit and the soul together. Yes, yoga and meditation are often seen as practices that can help connect the spirit and soul. Yoga, through its physical postures and breathwork, can foster a mind-body connection, while meditation focuses on stilling the mind and connecting with one's inner self, potentially leading to a deeper spiritual experience. Many believe these practices can help individuals find inner peace, purpose, and a sense of wholeness, which are often associated with spiritual growth. Here's a more detailed look. Mind-body connection. Yoga emphasizes the interconnectedness of the physical body, mind, and spirit. Physical and mental well-being. Yoga asanas, postures, can improve physical health, while breathing techniques, pranayama, and meditation can calm the mind and reduce stress. Spiritual exploration. Some view yoga as a path to spiritual awakening, encouraging introspection and self-discovery. Union of self. Yoga can be seen as a process of unifying the individual self with a higher power or universal consciousness. Meditation's role, inner peace and clarity. Meditation helps quiet the mind, allowing for introspection and a sense of calm. Spiritual awakening. Meditation can deepen one's understanding of themselves and their place in the world, leading to spiritual insights. Connecting with the soul. Some believe meditation can help individuals connect with their soul or higher self, accessing inner wisdom and guidance. How they connect and complementary practices. Yoga and meditation are often practiced together to enhance their benefits. Preparing for meditation. Yoga can prepare the body and mind for meditation by increasing flexibility, focus, and breath awareness. Deeper spiritual experience. By combining the physical and mental focus of yoga with the introspective nature of meditation, individuals may experience a more profound spiritual connection. In essence, both yoga and meditation are seen as tools that can help individuals cultivate a deeper connection with themselves, their inner selves, and potentially with a larger spiritual realm.